right, y'all. So these are the only 3 warm-up routines that you need to do every single day to pretty much get your body in peak shape. You're gonna start off doing 100 push-ups with your natural body weight. This is something that I do every single day, and I've really incorporated doing this consistently over the last 30 days to really just develop your full chest muscle. You're gonna wanna go down and try to do 25 in a row for 4 sets. You can also do 10 sets of 10. The ultimate goal is to get to 100 at the end of the day though. So the next exercise you're gonna wanna do is dips. Once again, you're gonna wanna do at least 100 of these, starting off with your own natural body weight. A lot of times people tend to work, especially guys, on their front of their arms with their biceps, but it's really important that you develop your triceps as well. And I know that this probably isn't super impressive. I have really long arms, so I'm really working on just bulking right now because I have such long arms. It takes a long time for me to put muscle on my arms. But you guys that have shorter arms, start doing this for at least 30 to 60 days in a row. 100 dips, and then add maybe a 5-pound weight to a 10-pound weight. Sit it on your thighs. You see where my thighs are? Just to add some extra weight to you, and really push yourself to go hard and until you almost burn out. That's really going to develop the back of your arms as well. And the next exercise you're going to want to work on is your lateral or side raises. You can do this with like a 15 to 20 pound. You want to do something that really challenges you when you get to around 10 to 12 reps. You want to be really struggling. And you see how I'm raising and pinching my shoulder blades at the top and really just adding that extra pressure to the muscle fibers right there. That's really going to develop the top of your back, as well as giving you that 3D shoulder look where you can have like bulky delts and get that massive look to yourself that, you know, a lot of guys really want, because the V taper right there, what I'm really working on, is developing a wide back, wide shoulders, big chest, and then a narrow waist into abs. And that's the look that I encourage you guys to try to get as well. And last but not least is 100 pull-ups. Now this is the hardest workout for me. I have a lot longer of a lower body than an upper body, so it's a very difficult exercise for me. But this is the exercise that all the guys that are super swole in prison do. I mean, they just do thousands of pull-ups every single week. So this is something that will develop the thickness in your back, and really give you broad shoulders, and overall just works your entire upper body. It's an amazing exercise and something I need to work on. I can only do around 7 reps, but I'm trying to work my way up to at least 10 so I can do 10 sets of 10. Definitely recommend this. Had a really good workout today. Hopefully this video was helpful for you that stayed till the end to watch all this. A lot of it, honestly, is working with your natural body weight, and you can add weight to that once it becomes too easy. But as you can see, I definitely struggle the most with the pull-ups. So I'm working on improving my pull-ups. I have a really long lower body, and compared to my upper body, which is a little bit shorter. So I have to work on the pull-ups to get better at that. But I really hit it hard today. If I continue to make videos like this, if you guys are interested, you'll see my progression with the pull-ups, at least, as I'll gradually be able to do more than 7 to 10 pull-ups in a row for 1 set. Hopefully I can work my way up to at least 12 to 15, and then beyond that if I stay consistent, which I plan on doing. So yeah, this is every day though. I come to the gym, do 100 push-ups. I try to get as many pull-ups as I can in, even though it's my weak point, and I've really lacked in that area. It's something I need to improve upon being consistent in, because I hate doing them. But I do also 100 dips as well, and I'll probably add some more weight to that, maybe a 10-15 pound weight in the next month or so. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh yeah, also, I was not feeling like I wanted to go to the gym today. I'm fighting a sinus infection. I don't know if you guys could tell in my last video, I was not like really feeling my normal self. You could also kind of hear it in my nasal ways all blocked and stuff. But that didn't stop me from going to the gym, putting this work in, because I know the key to success is consistency. And I've struggled with that my entire life, but you know, it's time that I stop making excuses for that and I push forward no matter what. And that's the mindset that I need you guys to adopt as well. We're in this together, in this self-improvement journey. Forget the women, forget all the BS, work on improving yourself and living your best life. Do it for you though, for no one else. And don't make excuses. You gotta put in the work every single day. I'm here with the science infectious, still putting in the work for you guys. I love you all. Have a good one, y'all.